Now for a trending discussion this week, which revolves around a major topic, Narendra Modi and his Sadbhavna fast, which he took to the city of Godhra, which will soon be marking 10 years since the riots which saw the killing of thousands of people. Activists like Shabnam Hashmi who were protesting were arrested by the Gujarat government. So the question we are asking on the show, Modi's fast, is it securing Gujarat or eyeing Delhi? That's the question that you see, and you can tweet at Sunetra C. That's my Twitter handle. You can email trending@ndtv.com for any comments that you have, or if you want to participate in that. Our guest this evening, Chandan Mitra of the BJP. We're also going to be joined by Arjun Modwadia. He's head of the Congress in Gujarat. Mr. Mitra, if I can start with you. Why is it, when this entire thing was about inclusion and of communal harmony, that Mr. Modi, while he has been doing this fast, he didn't allow somebody else to create a parallel protest? Why were those activists arrested?
I don't know why Mr. Shankar Singh Waghela is holding his protest. Who stopped them? But some people want to create nuisance, a handful of people, and they don't have the relevant permission. I don't know the exact case, but this is of no consequence and surely cannot be compared with the scale of Mr. Modi's district-wise fast, and therefore some people outrightly come there to disrupt. I think police has done what was permitted under the law, and nobody else has been stopped from protesting. I'm sure Mr. Modwadia will agree with me that Mr. Shankar Singh Waghela is holding his fast as planned.
But, you say nobody else has been stopped, but, we saw when the first Sadbhavna protest was also taking place, even at that time, there were protesters at Naroda Patia, one of the scenes, major sites of the riots. Even at that time, protesters over there were arrested as well. So it's a repeating theme, and it seems that Mr. Modi, is the message that he's sending is that his fast is more valid than other people's fast?
No, not really. Mr. Waghela, as I'm repeating, has been holding his fast just to coincide with Mr. Modi's fast. And nobody is that people are not going to attend Mr. Waghela's fast is another matter, but nobody has stopped him. And as far as the other things are concerned, I'm sure the police have taken whatever is the correct decision in their wisdom. You must ask the Gujarat police for these things. I cannot be answerable sitting here as to why one district SP of police has stopped somebody's protest or not stopped it.
Okay, you can't answer about what exactly happened there. But if you look at the BJP's vision document that they've come out with in UP, it talks a lot about, it relies a lot on Modi's image, and there has been a pan-Indian image which, the BJP has also been projecting. Now, do you think this kind of thing of going to Godhra and holding a fast there, what's the kind of message that it's sending to the UP elections and your voters there?
No, I think Mr. Modi had planned to visit Godhra long before the BJP's vision document for UP came out, or Mr. Modi became a name to reckon with in the UP election, because he will be campaigning in UP. So this has, I think, his fast in Godhra has nothing to do with the UP election really. These are parallel things that were happening. But as far as going to Godhra, I think it's very symbolic, and I would compliment Mr. Modi for reaching out to a place which was really, divided down the middle. It was tarred, its image tainted, and people still have these horrific pictures of car sevaks being burnt alive inside the train, very much in their mind. So I think reaching out for peace and harmony is a very, very commendable thing that Mr. Modi has done.
Sure, Mr. Mitra. But the thing is that, even the BJP leaders expected a lot more people from the minority community attending. But the reports we got from there is that very few of them attended today in Godhra, which actually is the epicenter. And very few of them attended. So do you think the BJP is being successful in doing this?
Well, again, you're asking me a question which I am unable to answer, because I have really no idea how many members of the minority community attended or did not attend. But we know that minority community members have been participating in many of Mr. Modi's programs, including his first 3-day Sadbhavna fast. And so I don't think there's an issue. Maybe there are some special situations in Godhra why there has been minorities may have been cagey, but it's only speculation. I don't really know, and I don't think that this has any impact on Mr. Modi's fast and the kind of statewide program of Sadbhavna that he's leading.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.